Ford Motor Company introduced the world to the Ford Bronco, America's first SUV.
Bronco, blazing a new trail of excitement.
A vehicle that reshaped the 4x4 landscape forever. And today, it's going to do it again. And this time, it's not just one horse. It's a whole family. The future of off-roading means more visibility. It means seeing everything you need to see and everything your tires are up against at all times. With the class-exclusive available 360-degree camera with off-road spotter views on Bronco two-door and four. Introducing the all-new Bronco two-door. Built to take on the toughest terrain you can find. And the new Bronco four-door. Built to give you the most open-air experience. And the Bronco Sport. Built to truly reconnect with the great outdoors. Introducing the Bronco family. Built with adventure in mind. The all-new Bronco family, built as wild as what you're looking for.